Hi everyone, I'm Greg Danino with Water Mission. Thanks to supporters like you, we're able to pre-position emergency safe water systems in Jamaica ahead of Hurricane Melissa. As you can see right next to me, we're positioning additional systems that we're readying for shipment. Each one of these safe water treatment systems can provide enough emergency safe water for up to 5,000 people a day. Please click below to learn more how you can help. And thank you, and let's continue to pray for the people of Jamaica.